Robert requested blueberry chocolate chip pancakes for breakfast. So here we go. Blueberry chocolate chip pancakes. Heat up your waffle iron.
Yeah, you just let it sit for a little bit. You just let it sit. Oh, we're making waffles. You know that, right?
Have a stick of butter. All right, after your butter's melted, go in with 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, vanilla, cinnamon.
I'll put some cinnamon in.
Yeah. A cup of blueberries-ish. I don't know. Whatever. A handful. However many blueberries. Like a teaspoon of baking powder. Just a wee bit. 1 egg. How many ever chocolate chips you would like. About a cup of... I have buttermilk. I feel like it makes it rise better. I just had it. But sometimes I'll put a little yogurt in here for extra protein for the kids. And I think the yogurt is similar to the buttermilk in that way, that it makes it rise. Or you can just use regular milk. Oh. Or cream. Whatever you have. But if you are wanting to make like really good ones, I do think buttermilk helps. Oops. Okay, I started with like a cup of buttermilk, but look, it's dry. Dry as the desert. So, let's say a cup and a half. The flavor is great. Look, blueberry. Look at that color. It's beautiful. Just finish off the chocolate chips. I'd rather not have any left over. You know, the thing about waffles is my kids don't even know what an Eggo is, mostly because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend the money, like $12 it is for like 6 waffles. And what's great is everything that it takes to make waffles, you literally already have in your home. So that is why I'm always like, I'm just gonna make waffles. Shit's hot. I think he likes it. There's your breakfast. What do you think? You want more? You want more? Yeah. Is that better? You like it? Yeah. So, this recipe, the baby had 1 whole waffle, Robert had 2, and there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 more, so this made 9 waffles. Happy waffle making.